Hi guys, it's October 9, 2020. It's already a Friday. You're watching me, Nikki, also known as Faces Trader for the Philippine Market Update. Let's discuss the Philippines. Okay, so your Philippine index is 5,931. It's down 11 points. You can see that the top traded names continue to be Dito Now C. Dito Telecom is 700 million value traded. Today, it's up 7% after hitting $6 and hitting 6.16. So yesterday, we noticed that it was kind of consolidating and it found its way to go up again. And then now Corp also went up 5% from 4.52. Now it's trading 477. Chelsea went up also from 533, now trading at 558. So we noticed also that Chelsea was trying to just wait it out for Dito Telco to really lead. And then when Dito Telco led, that's really what happened. Now, MRC was up last night and also today follow through with 300 million pesos. Yesterday it was about 200 million pesos. Today, MRC is rising 15%, 335 cents. We will go to the charts as well. MPI continued to be strong at 404, pero there's some profit taking already in MPI. Notice that MPI went from 360 to 4 after that news of a buyback program. BPI is not good, 64.5, just steady, always sleeping. So financials are still asleep. BPI, BDO, you've got Metro Banks climbing up 39.9, but just be a bit careful of Metro Bank. 4042, we have some resistances there, but it could even rally to another 5%. But those who have Metro Bank, if you have it at 34, 35, I don't know if Metro Bank will still go down at 35, given that it's rallying anyway. But you can actually position yourselves more on a cautious stance, even as it's rising. Nicolasia from 343 last night. Today, Nicolasia is 351, so steady lang dyan. Still above 3, still above 3.2, so bullish trend is intact for your Nicolasia. You've got your some slew of winners in the AFV was up 10 to 10.7. We've seen that pick up from 8, 9. So we'll also discuss the chart itself later on. Pure Gold from 44.1, it rallied to 45.5, ICT 1%. So steady uptrend for ICT and Pure Gold. Still there despite Pure Gold falling at 48. So you have that resistance so far for Pure Gold at 48, 49.50. Jollibee nandyan for 143. Steady lang siya. So medyo steady lang yung market. Di masyado galaw-galaw. Mostly on the speculatives pa rin. In the speculatives, the biggest mover is MRC, 15% up. Your ABS is consolidating. We'll also discuss on ABS later on. Apex rallied 159, so following gold move. So we were saying that Apex at 135 looks to be a good area to buy. And so far, Apex really followed suit, now trading at 159. We'll discuss some gold moves. Felix Mining went up 10% from around 4 pesos ngayon, 4.7. Between the two, we were saying that Felix Mining had a shallow correction. And so, so far, I think it's just the same movement. So both Apex and Felix were following gold. In terms of worst losers, I don't know much. Very little volume. ABS 60 million, but 15 to 14.30. We'll talk about that. Mostly just profit taking. Your SM Prime, okay, 30 pesos, always neutral there, and then now back to 29, sorry. Baka nagulat kayo, 21 pesos net SM Prime. 29 pesos. Macrasia just steady for 36. All HC, lots of profit taking. It rallied to 270, fell back to about 240. Wala masyadong nagganap sa All HC. So far, we'll see. Medyo konso siya dyan. Consolidate. Davin fell down. So after hitting 6, now it's back to 5, 4.7. People are still I guess let's take a look at that chart as well. So let's see each chart, no? Okay, let's take a look at a lot of names. So mining first, and then we'll talk about Dito Now C and all of these names that are being actively traded in the market. Wait lang, guys. So this week, you've seen Nicolasia go up from about 3. Now it's trading at 351. First resistance will still be here at about 375. And then if they break that 375 recent mark, then we can go to 420. So as long as it's steady above 320 and 330, the bulls have this with them. So still bullish on Nicolasia. Maybe it will consolidate, might even go to 340 or 320. Try to post if you might have an entry for Nicolasia. FNI also. So nickel and FNI, sabay naman na combination. So far, 110 had a rally on 130, hasn't gone to 140 or 160 yet, but we think that this might still continue up. So hold lang. FNI nickel, mark is also same, ganyan din. So mark from 80 cents, now 94 cents. Bullish uptrend pa rin siya. Now, Apex and Felix, umatikabo ngayon yung mga gold. So we said that gold, when we noticed XAU USD, we said that gold was steady at about 1800, 1850. So far, gold is 1900. Pag sumipa to ng $2,000, lalong sisipa yung mga Apex and Felix mo. So, tama naman. Apex mining went from 135, kaboom, 159. There will be some resistance here at 170, 175, but so far, correct naman. Felix mining was stronger. Di naman siya kasi kumorek sa 360 eh. Dito lang sa 4 pesos sa 380 eh. So, kaboom, all-time highs ngayon. Sorry, not all-time highs, but it is a strong move for Felix mining. Lakas niya, nag-breakout siya talaga. So, gold play siya ngayon. Gold play lang naman yung mayan eh. There will still be a resistance. So far, your prior resistance at 4.2 became the support. But where is your resistance for this? First resistance may be this 5.5. So, sumipa ang gold, galaw siya si Felix, kaboom din. Some miners, some gold, nickel and gold went up. Now, for your dito telecoms and now Corp, parang tulog-tulog siya, uptrend, pero we don't know eh, kasi laki kasi ng dynamite move dito sa dito, from 8 to 7, tapos bumabang 550. We will say that dito Telcom, even if it rallies back to 7 or 8, baka merong resistance dito. So, may resistance ata itong 7 to 8. I would suggest that, of course, if you bought at 550, okay naman, up ka ng 6 pesos ngayon. I don't know if it will still go back to 550. Anyway, malakas naman yung trend. There was a very strong movement on dito. Telcom, breakout dito sa 350, breakout dito sa 420. May resistance lang talaga sa sa 7 and 8. I don't know if magkakaroon ng retest dito sa 7 kung lower high or breakout. But for now, sige, 1 day, 2 days, magulo pa to. So, volatile. Well, our assessment is it can go up, it can also go down. We don't know. So, medyo steady lang. Dito has been followed by Now Corp, also rallying. Ito may malaking resistance sa 6 pesos. So, for now, in the short term, any attempts back to about 6 pesos for Now Corp might be seen as a resistance. Nonetheless, strong support last night at 4 and continuous follow through today. And we could see that if it rallies back to 550 or 6, dyan natin malalaman kung may resistance ba talaga or wala lang, parang bumagsak lang for an entry. Parang ito, bagsak, tapos breakout, tapos bagsak, tapos breakout. I don't know pwedeng mag-6 pa yan. So, we just let the market dictate it for us. Dito now, and then see. Chelsea, no? So Chelsea, galaw rin parehas. After breaking 7, bagsak siya. Sorry, hindi siya nag-break 7. Tried to retest 7, bagsak. 7 went to 5, now it's back to 550. If the market on dito Telecom rises, chances are Chelsea will rise. But first resistance here at about 6 pesos. So, take a look what's gonna happen next week. Susunod na kabanata pa rin yan. Drama move yan. Kasi magulo you could see very strong movements, volatile yan. So, it's gonna be up, down, up, down, ganun. For ABS, let's take a look at that. So ABS-CBN had a strong move from 7 to as high as 15, 16. It even rallied to 17. This is the first consolidation at 14, but still uptrend. So I would suggest that people should see this more as a potential support. So prior resistance was about 14. It's possible na mag-consolidate yan. Pwede rin siya mag-consolidate lower, pero so far, uptrend naman to. Whether it hits 20 or 25, it's all dependent on the market momentum now. So far, the news is that ABS has a deal with Zoe Partnership. Whether that partnership can take it to $22 pesos. So far, as long as this trades above 12 and 13, we're in a bullish trend here for ABS. So buy lang po. Any drops at 12 and 13, I think will be seen by the market as an opportunity to buy. So buy signal pa rin to. So Lopez, between ABS and Lopez, I prefer owning ABS. But if ABS rises, then yes, there is that movement on Lopez. Parang Chelsea versus Dito. If you had a choice, I'd suggest Dito, not Chelsea. Pero if talagang gusto mo si Chelsea pa rin, okay lang naman. ABS and Lopez, so parehas na movement din yan. So if ABS rallies to 22, we do think that Lopez first resistance is at 3.5. So may resistance siya dito sa 350. So ganyan lang yan. As long as there's a buyer here at 240 and 260, malikot pa to. So I don't know if it will go down. It's volatile but also on the uptrend. Volatility but on the upside. It can go down. Any dips will probably be bought. Now, the market was also doing a lot of reopening stance. Therefore, pure gold fell down from about 54 to 44. You could see that actually Cebu Pacific shared that they might be able to encourage more traveling in the next few months. So makikita mo naman na SEB is actually bottoming out here at 34, 35, now trading at 37.5. Maybe SEB here at about 37.5, you just accumulate, even if it goes 35, one day you'll be able to sell at 42, 45. Talagang hintay. We don't know kasi when that day comes. Pero within a year, abot yan. Macro Asia so far, you're seeing a lot of higher lows. You've seen a support from 288, higher low at 380. So any dips of Macro Asia at about 4 pesos looks to me to be a buying opportunity rather than a sell. So wala pa talagang volume. Lahat kasi ng volume nasa dito daw C Tsaka yung MRC, no? So, let's see. MRC, I don't know the news, pero malakas yung gugalaw. So far, yesterday, volume from 24 cents. In 2 days, more than 50%. There might be this resistance. So we already said that 38 cents first resistance. Some people took profits, perhaps. It fell to 33 cents. When's your support? Your support is as low as 28 cents right now. I don't know if it will still go down or was this, kasi may habit din si MRC. After a 2-day move, babagsak siya ng 30-40%. Balik dito 17 cents, mabagal, tapos tulog, tapos malakas na up, tapos mabagal ulit. So it's possible that MRC even drops back to about 27 to 28 cents. I really don't know, but the behavior of MRC has been quick moves and then patay. Tapos tulog. So quick moves, ano mangyari dito? Another quick move or patay? I really don't know. So so far, congrats to those who have MRC, but do know what you have. It's a bit very volatile, so you always have to watch these names that you own. Let's take a look at your comments and questions now. Comments. What's your ASEN? Give us insights more about ASEN. Okay, ECN, let's take a look at ECN. ECN had a support at 2.9. Long-term uptrend for ECN, intact naman. Panda is good, but we don't know it. Tulog siya ngayon. So far natulog to for over a month, August till September. It could sleep October to November, tapos sipa. We don't know when it will break out. But so far, any dips, I think, at 3 pesos below are being bought naman. So far dito sa 2.9, binili siya. That was your previous resistance that became support. If nag-break man yung 286 to 290, you have another support here at about 260. So ang all-star for the day, I think, was the gold. So Felix Mining really went up. Let's take a look at other questions. Give us insights about MRC. MRC, wala akong insight Chart lang yata talaga. I don't know. Not sure. Baka you guys know better. Converge IPO po. I don't know much about the Converge. I mean, I like what's happening in broadband connectivity. I know that Warburg Pincus is a private investor, private equity that invested in Converge. What I do know is that Converge is a stable company, so it's probably going to be a difficult match-up between Globe and PLDT. But we'll see. Lahat naman ng telecoms and broadbands, they have a great future given the Filipinos' appetite for broadband connectivity. So I don't know pero I'll be a subscriber of Converge if they have Manila, then I'll be okay. So I live in Manila. I don't have Converge in our building. So we're using PLDT. Kaya mabagal internet sa bahay. Good PM, any news para kay Converge final price? Parang na-lower 30 billion pesos yung raise nilang pera. I don't know, pero hopefully the market appetite for the telecoms and the broadbands will be good kasi it will actually encourage more investments in the Philippines if it's good. So I hope them success. I hope that Converge is successful in this IPO. Merrimart, tulog pa more. Tulog si Merrimart. Hindi gumagalaw. Wala siyang appetite. What are your thoughts on Megawide? Megawide, let's take a look at that chart. Megawide, I think, is 718. Megawide has a lot of construction projects on the build, the airports. The government is their is their partner, diba? Mga airports, Bulacan, all the airports in the world. So I think like so far we have a higher low on Megawide. Still got a strong resistance at 10, 11. Might take some time, pero reopening play yan. Megawide is an infrastructure move for the Philippines. So MPI also and Megawide no pareha. So far ito nagkaroon ng buyback program kaya nag-breakout eh. So higher low na tong 360, tapos may resistance pa rin sa 4.4. It's gonna take some time pero the market wants to really make a higher low. Mabagal lang pero it's trying its best to go higher. Insight po sa Semirara, aning 16.9. Aning 16.9. Insight po sa Semirara, DMC po. Mining umangat this week, 'di ba? So Nickel Asia, Philex Mining. In general, hindi ako masyado believer in coal, and Semirara is coal power. Despite the fact that they're trying to go higher, hindi ako masyado believer, but there will be a resistance here at 12. So 12 and 14. Ingat lang, pwede yan, pero buy and sell din. Trade lang. So far going up. So DMCI owns Semirara, so power yan. They're really trying to transition away from coal into renewable energy assets like they should, no? So it's gonna be something that they need to do to future-proof themselves. Maybe in the next 15 to 20 years naman. It's not naman 1 year, 2 years. So matagal naman yun eh. 350 to 530, I think like so far, DMC is a good company naman. It has a lot of cash dividends every year. So you might need to just wait it out. So far, DMC here has a support at 4. Nag-higher low siya sa 4. Probably can rise to as high as 5 pesos. So just wait it out. Okay lang siya. Nagbo-bottom out. Bottoming out yan. Yun. Okay, guys. So, congrats to everyone who have MRC. Laking galaw in the last 2 days. Actually, baka mga Instagrams, alam nila kung anong meron sa MRC. Let's take a look. Ano bang mga sinasabi ng tao? Other than the charts, Kasi charts we can see naman. News and disclosures. Wala eh. Wala naman. May news ba? Volume is up from 30 million to 1 billion. Nag-times 300. Tama ba? Times 30. Your volume picked up from 30 million to 1 billion, but until now, no news. Yeah, walang news eh. Walang news. Or meron ba? Check natin. MRC Allied. News. Other than the volume chart, press materials, news. 2 weeks ago, MRC Allied transitioned to a holding company. Notice of annual meeting of stockholders, net loss to lower, to develop more solar rooftop projects to beef up its energy portfolio. So gusto niya kasi mag-solar installation ventures this year. Malakas kasi solar abroad honestly speaking. MRC Allied formalizes entry in renewable energy with a maiden solar project. MRC takes a green shift in power generation. Gusto niya maging Sunrun of the Philippines. Sunrun, malakas yan abroad Diyan kumita talaga lahat ng 10x na portfolios namin, puro solar. So if you take a look at our Twitter, more 10x awesome portfolios in the month of September lang. So these are some testimonials of our clients. So you could see umangat talaga. Most of these were really diversified lang. Halo-halo. For solar, hindi na makita yung iba ChargePoint, Palantir, mga mga solar plays to. Wala na yung Sunrun and Enphase na benta na Pero babalikan na lang. But really, malakas yung solar worldwide. So if MRC wants to be in that place, then they can take advantage of that renewable energy trend worldwide. So September 23, 2020, written by Ms. Jordine Lagare, MRC transitioning to a holding company. The transition to a holding company, the primary purpose is to, ano ba? Ano ba sabi niya? Basahin ko nga. Ba sabi nito? Basahin natin. So they want to be a holding company in the future. The secondary purpose is to make contracts with any person to venture study. Wala pa. Actually, nung 23 centavos, hindi pa niya talaga sinabi anong gagawin niya. Sinabi lang niya na mag-holding company siya. Pero in the past few articles, MRC Allied was saying na they wanted to do a lot of green energy. Parang same din sa energy portfolio, expand it. So basahin natin. MRC Allied President Augusto Cosio is leading the company's new management team. The focus is to become a major renewable energy player. MRC was originally a Makilala rubber company which was a property development company in 1995 through its former president, businessman Benjamin Bitanga. He is now stepping down so that the company can focus on energy portfolio. The company is planning to tap opportunities in utility scale project development such as Sepalco's 50 megawatt project in solar, the 100 megawatt SPI Clark project, and the 60 megawatt Naga solar project. Company is also planning to explore opportunities in sand export business. Under the agreement, MRC will be delivering Shining Star natural river sand in bulk from a potential seller, gross revenue of $760,000 per shipment. So they just want to be a bigger company investing in renewable energy in the future. So far, kung strategy-wise lang, okay naman po yung ginagawa ni MRC. Kaya siguro sumabog siya, di ba? Nakikita niyo naman that the market went from 30 million volume to 1 billion volume. So maraming sumabay. From 24 cents, now it's 36 cents, 38 cents, 33 cents. Where is the resistance for MRC? So ngayong October, ina-execute ba nila? Yun yung kailangan mong tanungin. If na-execute nila, it can go where? Potential. Sige, tingnan natin yung target nito. Saan ba resistances ng MRC? MRC, you've got resistance here at 48 cents. You've got resistance here initially 38 cents, no? Tapos, yung support mo dito. So, 24 cents, prior resistance. Ito, 29 cents, support din. Ito, resistance na naman to. So, 38. So, ganito yung MRC, no? For those who are investing or trading MRC, you have a strong support. Lagyan na lang natin ng arrow para madali. Ito, may buy ka sa 24. Ito, may buy ka sa 29. Ngayon, may resistance ka rin sa 38, tsaka sa 48, tsaka sa 54. Diba? May resistance ka dito. So yun, buy low, sell high. Ganyan siguro. Tapos pwede pang sell higher, 55 cents kung makachamba tayo, diba? I really don't know kung kayang mag 55 cents, ha? Pero baka kayo, mas alam nyo. Hindi ko alam eh. Okay, TBGI po. Lloyd, you said, if there's smoke, there's probably fire. Ano yun? Para sang stock yung ibig mo sabihin, Sir Lloyd? MRC po ba? MRC, then mukha namang gumagalaw in the right things. So, yun nga, baka maganda yung mangyari. TBGI po. Anong nangyari sa TBGI? Ewan natin. Tingnan natin. TBGI. Trans-Pacific Broadband Group. Okay. So, gusto din ito mag 5G, di ba? Mga radios and towers, blah, blah, blah. 85 cents, bagsak sa 15 cents. Tapos, umangat to 20 cents, breakout, 23 cents. Okay, from a chart perspective, okay naman siya, uptrend, volume is picking up. There is a resistance on TBGI here at about dito, no? Resistance sa 30 cents. Then, may resistance din sa 28 cents. So, wag niyo lang kalimutan yung mga resistances kahit na may mga buying signal. Kasi, magkakaroon pa rin ng retest yung mga resistances. 20 cents to, may support. So far, 23 cents. Pag nag-break yung 24, kayang mag-28, kayang mag-30, kaya pa mag-40. I really don't know kung kakayanin, pero so far, okay yung galaw. So this is TBGI. Tingnan natin yung historical data niya. TBGI. Wait lang okay. So sabi ni Sir Lloyd, MRC, if there's smoke, there's probably fire. Teka lang. TBGI, umangat yung volume From 18 million, umaangat ng times 3 na, fumi 50 million na. So merong nagbibids na dyan. So tumataas na yung mga higher support, higher low. So some people are speculating na baka mag 40 cents to. Tingnan natin kung tama sila, pero uptrend naman So far, when there's smoke, there's fire. I don't know. Pwede. Good volume up. What else? FGen po, any thoughts? FGen renewable din. Pero LNG, di ba? Natural gas. So far, tulog lang to. Near 22, may buyer. Near 27, may seller. Walang volume. So, hindi siya trip ng Filipinos. Kasi right now, lahat talaga nasa mga, may kita mo naman where the volume is So, follow ka na lang ng volume. Okay, guys, thank you very much for all your questions. And let me invite you again. Today is Friday, free Friday classes. Every Friday, we give you deep dives on awesome 10X companies. Just let me share to you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And let me share to you that we help Filipinos invest globally. So this was GME. We made 100% on GME. Last night, actually, GameStop shares surged 40-50% because of a multi-year partnership with Microsoft to create the ultimate gaming destination. So we have some clients testifying that good morning, kaboom, si Souvenir Place. So we were advertising GME 6-7. Some of us were actually new about GME since 4 pa. So yun, send natin yan. It doesn't mean that you need a lot of money. Ito, nag-eToro, yung iba nag-open ng interactive brokers accounts. Ito, since July ito nag-start, no? So 50% up siya. Okay naman, yung journey niya, ayan. We're just sharing to you the journey of our clients. Ito yon, mga portfolio positions, share lang din. Every Friday, we give free Friday classes. So today, it's another Friday. Can I share your free class link? Yes, all the time. They can watch on YouTube. We have replays every Friday. Actually, any day you want, any time. Lemonade was a free Friday class. Ito yon, September 18. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. We gave a buy at about 48.50. Even our early mga September clients lang, they've made already at 12% or actually 20% kasi 50 to 60 no? So proud to say, awesome 10X always gives out performance to your portfolio. And we are not shy to share, no? Kasi yan, free class pick pa nga yan Testimonial, sabi ni friend, portfolio is up 30% after 1 month. He said, I'm sure others made more, but I'm happy with my own rate and performance. Ito, isa pang awesome 10X testimonial. She started with $5,000. It's now $6,000. She's got Unity, Palantir, Copen, Rocket, Bloom Energy, FIAC, also known as Skills, Velodyne LiDAR, Tattooed Chef, Qualcomm, Desktop Metal, ChargePoint, Nintendo, Serens, Laser, GMHI, which is Luminar, Clean Spark. So we are very thankful for the clients. And also, I forgot to say, if you want to be to know about CMT, we have a virtual India Summit. This is coming out this October 10 to 11, 2020, CMT Association. So I am a chartered market technician. So all CMT members are free. Non-members have a $75 fee. You could see in this, I'm just promoting everything so that you can avail if you want. The CMT program is accredited worldwide technical analysis program wherein you can take exams and you can also learn. Actually, this one is free for everyone, free for members. But so members and CMT candidates are free. Non-members can register until October 9. And that is today. Sorry, today is the last day kasi October 10, 11 Can pay $75. The speakers are a lot. So yan, learn from everyone in the world. Global yan. So guys, you can learn a lot. We encourage you to invest globally. Even if you're Filipino, you can open even a $5,000 account, $1,000 account, or if you want to just learn for free, okay lang din. We give a lot of free classes. This is our mission to encourage Filipinos to learn more about global companies. Some IPOs coming out. Miniso, Oatly is coming out next year. Oatly is a Swedish brand. Airbnb is coming out, I think, within the year. And then, of course, marami tayong libre. Nagbigay tayo ng libreng mga... Every Friday, guys, is free Friday class. I just want to shout out to everyone to just join, subscribe, do share the class, do share our videos, and yun. Sabi ni Andre, solid yung lemonade ni Miss Nikki. Reco niya yan sa Friday class. Congrats! Yes, we really made money on lemonade. Thanks for following. Hindi naman tayo arrogant. All of our free Friday class picks are money-making. Kahit libre yan. We shared GameStop, libre din yan. Kailan ko ba sinabi yon? Basta nung mga $6-7 yun eh. So yun. Okay guys, IDC is okay, 220, umangat ng 280. I think IDC may stock divs daw, pero kumukunti na kasi yung volume ni IDC eh. Napunta talaga yung pera kay MRC. And so far, I think hindi masyado volume wala masyadong value traded si IDC eh. Ang malakas talaga na value traded lagi, dito now see, di ba? Lagi sila. ABS, okay naman. MRC, okay naman. So, Nickel Asia, okay naman. Yeah, so, I guess, very few talaga in the Philippines. Pero, mas grabe kasi sa abroad eh. You can really make 50%, 100%, sometimes 500% abroad. So, yun. Learn a lot. Philippines, US. Thank you for watching the show. Do subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.